What's up? It's your boy Scotty88 here with Lonnie. Yeah, you haven't seen my face yet, but I'm wearing the one and only basic. Okay, thank you. Oh, stupid cop. They take away all the parking that's over there, so there's only like a couple places to park, unless you want to park in the parking garage. I guess you could have parked there, but we're gonna say forget it. First, we got the AMG GTS with a nice little Viper. I like the plate, Candy Viper. Horse GT3. The cars are out today. I'm not gonna lie. GT3. I like this color a lot. I like the all black on black. So beautiful. There's a little corgi. This thing is so nice. I want one so bad. I want all of these. One of each. Let's go in the front of them. Now to go through and pick our favorite cars. Oh, what is this? Z06. Let's see. Ooh, not supercharged. That's a GTR. The wrap. That's like I call it like a iridescent type. We got the wagon Magnum Hellcat. I'm not. I mean, these are all pretty basic, and nothing's really catching my eye. Like, I don't know. Not that like, these are basic or anything, but like I said they're basic, but they're not basic. It's just not catching my eye. Not catching my eye. They catching your eye? Something catching your eye? Something catching your eye?
No, not yet.
Nothing.
I don't know what it was called. That's cool. It was really, really pink though.
Yeah, that's that iridescent like chrome type route. That's crazy. I was just talking about this. Let's hear. Let's hear. Let's get a sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Very nice. Following straight behind. Or you can't even hear me. G-Sharp following straight behind. Let's do a sound check. Silent. Silent GTR. We don't like that. We don't like silent GTRs. Now I did look at this color. I like the colors of this right here. What is this? You see this color right here? That's crazy. That's nice. I like that a lot. Not a fan of the wheels. 4G autos. Kind of hate 4Gs. Call me a hating ass nigga if you will, but I am a hating ass nigga, I guess, because I hate 4G autos. Lambo truck, BMW 8 Series, Supra. I'm just realized I'm a terrible cameraman. Another Supra in the same type of wrap.
Picked up a few shades from them. If you guys are looking for some sunglasses, we got some quality for a good price at Shady Rays. So make sure you guys pick up some shades.
You have to get the thing from up there.
To my left,
You can be able to get the thing.
black and blue. We got some guys over at some.
Oh, no way.
Scottsdale.
Guess what's behind this crowd of people right here? You're never gonna guess this. If you can guess, hold on. Before you, if you can guess, then you know you win. But you're never gonna guess what is behind. Oh, I'll just show you. Ready? Oh, very nice. Very fucking nice. Fucking Bugatti. Dark carbon, exposed carbon. Nobody be on it. It'll be looking like black, like it don't be looking like paint. But this is all carbon fiber. It's crazy.
T-shirt for $30 and a Highline hat for $25. That is going down at the Highline tents. If you guys want a T-shirt for $30, hat for $25. And again, guys,
Let's
show
see.
spectators we
Can
ask that you
I
do not
overpower
gather
this
or
music?
loiter on Deer Valley Drive or North 56th Street when the cars are leaving.
Look at this.
Please do not gather or loiter on Deer Valley.
Yes, sir. We're going to gather. That's going to happen. Look at this mint. Look at Tiffany blue on that Rolls Royce there. It's like this is like the dealership. Yeah, this is the dealership like kind of area, dealership area. That's where all the dealerships be parking over here and stuff. What is this place? Office building. Okay, let's see. I like this one a lot. I like it a lot. Got the what is this? What's this? 6675 LT. I quickly forgot for just a second. Let's do a sound check. Silent. Oh, Aventador. Silence. And he's not gonna do it again. But all that is secret. This is a very nice resto mod right here with a little LT supercharged 4 or LT4 in here. You know what I'm saying? I know a little song. You know, ain't nothing really too goddamn special about it. But this right here, this is green. This green right here, this is a wrap. You could tell it's a wrap. Look like a wrap. Look like paint too at the same time. Look like a wrap though, to be honest. But I like it. I like the color a lot. And matching fucking Audi RS6. You got the Audi V10. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Custom wheels. MP12C. 12C. Something like that. Ooh, one of my favorites. I almost fucking passed it up. The 765 LT. I love this one so much. Got the roof scoop on it. A little subliminal. Company or name right there, RAC Financial, who is partnered with that company, that hat company that's also based out of fucking Arizona. I forgot the name of it. Oh, I forgot the name of that company, but it doesn't matter. Mm, just beautiful, just actually beautiful. I don't know if I would take a Lambo truck. I mean, yeah, but no. Oh, so I peeped. He put his business name in on a hat in the dash, and then also guess who the hat's made by? That company I showed you that's based out of Mesa, that hat company.
No way.
Right here, my favorite section, the Porsche section. I'm not gonna lie, I used to battle with myself a lot because I used to be like, oh, like make myself feel bad for liking Porsches because I noticed that they did kind of look plain and simple, but it's like you don't change art and shit. Look at this fucking GTR. Oh, that's a fucking race GTR. What the fuck? Do you see this goddamn shit? First, you got the drag one, right? You got the drag spec right here with these big ass motherfucking tires on there. Right. Then you got this motherfucker right here. Okay, looks like not the Varus wide body kit, not Rocket Bunny for sure. Maybe Liberty Walk. I don't even know. Oh, sorry. It looks like a Liberty Walk. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like this little. It's got the exhaust cut out, or where an exhaust could come out, maybe. Very nice, very nice. Like it a lot. Right next to the Ford GT. Right next to a Honda Fit. GT 500 leaving out. Let's go ahead and get a sound check. Oh, two GT 350 and a GT 500. Definitely got to get a sound check. Definitely. Let's get a sound check. Kind of weak sauce, but I know they can't be revving in here and shit. It's funny. Nobody as tall as me. I can get the shot. It's just sitting there. Nobody's even in that thing at all. There's nobody even in the car. It's empty. But it's on and running and stuff. Ooh, very nice. You see that shit. Bugatti at the Scottsdale Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna start doing my stuff. It's got blue carbon in here. I was talking about that shit look black. That's blue fucking carbon and black carbon. All right, you ready to move past the crowd? People be getting these cars. And I'm not gonna lie. Like, even though like it's simple, I'm not fucking with the fucking. I'm not fucking with it. At all. Not fucking with it at all. Them wheels. Uh,
Look at the tiny puppy.
what? Um, unlike a nice engine tuck. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't beat it. You see everything working. Vibrant. Okay. Very nice. Oh, look at these. Look at them in an old Porsche. Look at they got the matching hats and stuff. Hold on, you gotta get that. That's very nice stuff right there. Porsche Speedster. Goals. So this is the one that you say that you like? Yeah, move. Whoa. Looks like it's female owned. Let's go get a closer look. Boost Logic GTR engine. No, they making fucking power. Yeah, so that concludes the cars and coffee. It was okay. It was okay. Bad start. We got here kind of late. On top of us getting here late, cop wanted to write us a ticket for parking. So, but other than that, nice little turnout. Really fucking crowded. Not a lot of cars. That I personally would like. I guess like it's the same cars, and I've already seen I've already seen I've already seen most of the cars that are here, so it's like geeking out over them. Like I've already seen them. I already geeked out over them once, and I just didn't get it on camera. So it's like the cars that I didn't get on camera. I obviously spent a little bit more time on it, but yeah. But thanks for watching. Just a quick little cars and coffee video. If y'all want to see me do it again, go ahead, just drop a like, comment, or something. Then I'll see y'all on the next video. Hopefully the sound quality was okay.